Hello friends, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am here filming another video for a quick and easy card. And I've been featuring so much this stamp set lately. This one is called Healing Hugs. I feel like I've never had enough Get Well Soon cards, and so I figure let's stock up on those because it seems like I'm always needing them and I never have them on hand. So anyway, so this is the one that I'm using today. This is a new type of the stamp set that Stampin' Up! Is doing. These are called distinctive, which what it means is that they look more realistic, and you can see there's some areas that are gonna be softer or lighter and darker just to give that depth on the stamp. So there's nothing wrong on your stamp set on your stamp when you're inking it and you see some areas where there's not enough color to it. So anyway, so let me just go with those two. I'm gonna be using those two and the Sending You Healing Vibes. So anyway, so the card base that I'm using today is Whisper White, and it's 8.5 by 5.5, and as usual, you see my bone folder, I will fold it. And then I have a piece of Daffodil Delight, and this one I believe is 5 by 3 3/4, and I have already printed both, and I apologize, I forgot the name as I was coming here to film the video. I forgot to bring my catalogs to show you, but it's this one. I think it's Tuft embossing folder. But anyway, in the description of the video I'll definitely put the name of this embossing folder. It's one of those new embossing folders that are really thick, so they do a very deep impression, as you can see it here. It goes really deep. And when you're using this one, the way you do your sandwich, you only use one acrylic plate versus two. So instead of putting one in the bottom, one in the top, you just do the one on the top. So anyway, so this is already pre-embossed, and I'm gonna be sticking this one already there because I know I won't be doing anything else on this one. Give me 1 second here. And I have it here and there. Alright. I'm going to be putting it right in the center. Then I have a piece of Whisper White and Basic Black. And the Basic Black is 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. And so this one should be 2.5 by 3.5. So I'll be doing that. Yes, and I'm always leaving 1/4 of an inch in between. That way you get a nice frame when you're matting your paper. So I'm going to be using Daffodil Delight for this flower. And I'm going to be just pressing firmly, but not rocking it. Just hold it firmly. And we're going to be, yes, there we go. Oh, it looks really nice. Yeah, that's a little dye. Then I'm going to be putting this with Memento ink. And this is my sentiment. And I want my sentiment to go here. And there we go. And then I'm going to be putting my leaves. And I think for this one, I'm going to be using Old Olive. I think that Old Olive will look really nice with this color for the leaves. And so we're going to go ahead and put some leaves here. You can see it there. And I'm going to be putting some other leaves here and here. And I might even do one other, like right here. There we go. You see that? I feel like it looks really cute. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and I feel like this one should be raised. So let me just, oh, I already had another one here. As you can see, I used a lot of my scraps. I didn't even knew that, huh? Give me a second here. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and, oh, give me 1 second here. Because my camera just, oh. Let me just take this one here. Whew. Can you see it? Kinda. Alright, and so I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be moving a little bit this camera because it kind of went all the way down. Okay, it's good. I'm going to be putting it like so, but I feel like I probably need to put some ribbon as well. So I have here, and this is the shimmer ribbon, the basic black, and this is a carryover from last year's catalog, which is the shimmer one, right? It has a little bit of shimmer to it, like its name says it. So this is the one, and I'm gonna be putting a little bit of, give me 1 second here because I'm having, alrighty, and we're gonna put some dimensionals. On the back of this card. We're going to peel dimensionals off. And I'm really liking this set a lot. I think I've been doing a lot of cards with this set, and I'm just enjoying it, honestly. So I'm going to be putting like so. Okay, and then this one will go here. So let's just put a little dimensional glue dot, and we're going to be putting it here, and voila, here it is. There we go. So anyway, hope you have enjoyed it. If you have liked this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget about my ordering incentive. When you use the hostess set of the month, which is on my blog at creatingwithali.com, every single post will have the code that is going on for that month. You get the kit, the card kit to make 4 cards, and I'll include everything, the paper, and all the embellishments that I use. The only thing that I will not provide will be the stamping, but I'm sure that if you don't have the stamp set that I am featuring, you will be able to use whatever you have at home. Or you could also order that set. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, let me know. Oh, and by the way, on that ordering incentive, if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month, which it could be pearls, rhinestones, ribbon, you name it. So every single month I change it. So make sure you place your order again using the hostess code of the month, And my blog is creatingwithali.com. I'll put the link in the description as well as all the products that I use. I'll make sure I put the name of the embossing as well as the link if you like this embossing folder. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.